Hello everyone! Today, I want to tell you about my dream job for the future. When I grow up, I want to be a scientist. I want to be a scientist because I really love science class at school. I find it very interesting to learn about how things work and discover new things about the world. I want to do experiments and solve big problems. I think being a scientist is a very important and challenging job. A scientist usually works in a lab.
But sometimes they also travel to different places to study nature.
I want to help people by finding new ways to make our lives better, like finding cures for diseases or protecting our environment. I believe this job is exciting because every day is different, and you always learn something new. I will try my best to study hard, especially science and math, to make my dream come true. I want to find new ways to make our lives better, like finding cures for diseases. I believe this job is exciting because every day is different and you always learn something new. I will try my best to study hard, especially science and math, to make my dream come true. Hi! When I grow up, I want to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor because I want to help sick people. I think being a doctor is a very important and helpful job. A doctor usually works at a hospital. They also save lives every day. I find it very meaningful to take care of patients. I will study hard, especially science, to become a good doctor. My dream is to make everyone healthy and happy. Hello, everyone. My future plan is to be an artist. I want to be an artist because I really love art class at school. I find it very creative and fun to draw pictures and paint. An artist usually works in a studio. But sometimes they travel to different places for inspiration. I want to draw beautiful pictures that make people happy. I believe this job is exciting because I can create something new every day. I will practice drawing every day to make my dream come true.